because something has to change. I mean, really, that's why you signed up. You said, I'm on this journey that I want to change something in me and make that happen. Give applause back. Applause, double applause. One more, you got it. All right, back here. Well, first, I'll tee you up here a little bit. So what kind of compelled you to first of all go surf, and where was that at? What was the story?
It was just wanted to try. I was on vacation with the family.
Yeah.
And, on a Jersey Shore. And they give lessons. I always see like the same person out there all the time, and I always see them like giving lessons to other people. And I'm like, I think I can do that. And my wife goes, well, you can't. So it's just kind of that banter, and that kind of just led to me trying, and she made it funny, but.
So this is Jersey Shore, you're with the family, you thought about this for a while, you felt like, okay, all right, I'm gonna go try this out. How long, so I'm curious, like how long had you been to Jersey Shore and see this surfing instructor? Like years?
My in-laws have a house there, so.
Okay, so you've seen this happen, and every once in a while you're like, I wonder what that's gonna be like.
Yeah.
So that consideration-based thing, probably a long time.
It was a while.
And then something motivated your wife, like, you can't do it. Oh, yes, I can. As well. So, okay, cool. Then, so talk about the experience of actually trying to learn how to surf and what that looked like.
Yeah, it was fun.
Good. All right. You seem like a fairly playful group. So I figure we might as well take a little bit of a risk and do a little cheer at the end of this, if you're okay with that. Some of you might be, some of you might not be, but, you know, hey, play along as much as you want to play along with this. So come on a little closer.
You're still clever on
So here's the deal. So oftentimes in leadership, whether it's collaboration or building trust or helping someone grow and develop, there's these two kinds of energies that show up. There's this yes energy that says, yeah, let's go make this happen. Let's go do it. All right. Then there's this no energy that says, wait a minute, let's pause for just a second and think about this before we jump in. All right. So when you put the yes energy together and the no energy, you get yo. You get yo energy. So to celebrate the yo, you know, we're going to do that together. Now, as a leader, we have to balance out the yes and the no, so we get to maximize, you know, the yo energy. So we're going to celebrate that. So lean in a little bit. So right here in the middle is a big, giant pot of yo. It's all gooey and ooey. Stick your hand in it. Get it running down your arm a little bit there. Get it feel it. Feel your hand in there. There you go. Now, here's how the cheer goes. You kind of put the yo up in the air like this, and you go, I say, yo! All right, so that's all you do together. All right, so it's a 3-time thing. I say, yo. You ready for that? There you go.